Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter 12, Electricity. Electricity has an important place in modern society. It is controllable and convenient form of energy for a variety of uses in homes, school, hospitals, industries and so on. What constitutes electricity? Electricity कैसे बने? How does it flow in an electric circuit? What are the factors that control or regulate the current through an electric circuit? In this chapter, we shall attempt to answer such questions. We shall also discuss the heating effect of electric current and its application. And children, here some chapters are not there, so that for the semester purpose we are not going to do. First of all, electric current and circuit. Circuit diagram you know, okay? The first figure, this is the circuit, okay? This is the circuit diagram. The zigzag and all things will be coming in the topics. We are familiar with the air current and water current. We know that flowing water constitutes water current in rivers. Similarly, if the electric charge flows through a conductor, for example, through a metallic wire, we say that there is an electric current in the conductor. In a torch, we know that the cells or a battery, when placed in a proper order, provide flow of charge or an electric current through the torch bulb to glow. We have also seen that the torch gives light only when it's switched on. It is switched on. What does a switch do? A switch makes a conducting link between the cell and bulb. A continuous and underline, this is the definition. A continuous and closed path of an electric current is called an electric circuit. Now, if the circuit is broken anywhere or the switch of the torch is turned off, the current stops flowing and the bulb does not glow. Okay, before that you write down here in bracket flow of electrons. What is electricity? Flow of electrons. Now, this was the overview of the circuit. How do we express electric current? तो सबसे पहले आया current. Electric current is expressed by the amount of charge. Now, definition: flowing through a particular area in unit time. Particular area means any metal. We are taking here because metals are good conductor of electricity. So, we are taking any metal. So, definitely area will be there. In other words, it is the rate of flow of electric charges, positive and negative. Okay, rate of flow, कितना rate से वो चलता है. In circuits using metallic wires, electrons constitute the flow of charges. Underline. However, electrons were not known at that time when the phenomenon of electricity was first observed. Very first time. Okay, in 9th standard you might have done electron, proton, neutrons. Okay, which is discovered first proton, and when proton was there was no electron. So the scientists have told that flow of proton is an electricity, but afterwards when they come to know that it is not the proton, it is the electron, then flow of electrons is called as electricity. But the conventional current, they are still using the word, okay, because they don't want to remove that proton part, okay, but still. So new electricity and old electricity still they say conventional current, and they are comparing it with the new one. However, electrons were not known at that time when the phenomena of electricity was first observed. So, electric current was considered, underline, electric current was considered to be the flow of positive charges, and the direction of flow of positive charges was taken to be the direction of electric current. ठीक है. Now, conventionally, मतलब पुराना, in an electric circuit, the direction of electric current is taken as opposite to the direction of the flow of electron, which are negative charges. So positive उन्होंने निकाला नहीं, लेकिन उसको क्या नाम दिया? conventional current. And what is the flow of that? It is in the opposite direction of the flow of electrons. And electrons कौन सी charge में है? Negative. So the very first formula in this chapter is this: if a net charge, so write down charge, underline charge is denoted by capital Q. Take care, capital Q flows across any cross section of a conductor in time t, then current I, capital I, through the cross section is capital I is equal to capital Q by T, because it is rate, so every time T is coming. The first formula. Now what is the unit? As we know that in whenever we do any physical quantity, we must write the unit of it. द SI यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज इज कूलम. अभी एक एक करके करंट कैसे फाइंड आउट. करंट का आपको इतना तो पता है वो एम्पियर में है बिकॉज ऑफ द साइंटिस्ट. बट इफ़ आई वांट टू गिव अनदर यूनिट देन सो आई हैव टू गो फॉर द यूनिट ऑफ Q एंड यूनिट ऑफ T. यूनिट ऑफ T you know. Second unit of Q, that is a new word, coulomb. Okay, coulomb is also the name of the scientist. And capital C, which is equivalent to the charge contained in nearly 6 into 10 raised to 18 electrons. We know that an electron possesses a negative charge of, please underline value, is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 C. The electric current is expressed by a unit called ampere, capital A, named after the French scientist André Marie Ampere, 1775 to 1836. 1 ampere is constituted by the flow of 1 coulomb of charge per second. That is, please underline 1 ampere. So you can go from here. See, अगर ऐसे एक्सप्लेन करना है तो 1 एम्पियर इज इक्वल टू 1 कूलम बाई 1 सेकेंड. ओके, सो दैट वे एवरीथिंग 1 1 1, देन यू विल बी गेटिंग द डेफिनेशन टाइप. 1A इज इक्वल टू 1 C by 1 S. Small quantities of current are expressed in milliampere. Underline 1 milliampere is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 ampere. Or microampere, 1 microampere, this symbol is of micro, is equal to 10 raised to minus 6A. Now an instrument called ammeter measures electric current in a circuit. It is always connected in series. Please underline that is ammeter is here. Okay, I'll show you the picture of ammeter. Okay, this is a circuit diagram. You know other things, battery, bulb, key and ammeter. This is in the series. Series मतलब सीधे से एक साथ सीधा एक की लाइन में. In series always, because another meter is coming that is always connected in parallel. It is always connected. Now here ammeter is always connected in series in a circuit diagram which the current is to be measured. Figure 12.1 shows the schematic diagram of a typical electric circuit comprising a cell, an electric bulb, an ammeter and a plug key. Note that electric current flows in the circuit from positive terminal of the cell to the negative terminal of the cell through the bulb and ammeter. This is the circuit diagram. Okay, consisting of these simple things they can ask. Draw the circuit diagram and sums on the base of this. Okay, this also you can use. How does a metal conduct electricity? Though you can read it by your own. Next part is electric potential and potential difference. Okay, yeah, I have to show you the ammeter photo. Okay, this is a milliampere. Okay, different are there. This is the ammeter which measures milliampere 0 to 100. तो इस तरह से वो मीटर घूमता है. Next one you can see the microampere. Okay, and it is not necessary all are different, but I am showing you different. Can be do in one also. Multimeter is coming, yellow color. Everything is there in that. Ampere, resistor is there, voltage is there, everything. It I'll show you when the topic comes. Okay, these things. And next thing is this is ampere 0 to 10. देखो कितना कम है. ठीक है, अब इसमें रेंज में आप जाओ 0 to 10 रहता है. ठीक है, एम्पियर होता है तब, तो करंट इतना ज़्यादा नहीं होता है. हमारे कोई भी एक अप्लायंस होंगे उसमें बहुत हैवी डिवाइस होगा, अप्लायंस होगा तो ज़्यादा करंट लेगा. जैसे एसी में भी कितना बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं रहता है, 5 तक रहता है. बहुत ज़्यादा बोलेंगे वो 5 मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. लेकिन वोल्टेज यू नो वोल्टेज हाउ मच वोल्टेजेस आर देयर इन आवर हाउस होल्ड 220 और 240. ठीक है, नाउ आई गो फॉर माइक्रो. सो यू कैन सी माइक्रो it is different, one side and one side. Okay, so negative ray, positive ray. Now here it is milliampere. You can see the milliampere range 0 to 100. जबकि एमीटर में कितना था, एम्पियर में कितना था 0, it was up to 0 to 10 only. ठीक है, so it differs. The next topic electric potential and potential difference. ये word ऐसा लग रहा है, otherwise it is just simple voltage. Now voltage क्या होता है, किसके बीच में होता है voltage? The plug you keep on the board, okay, socket. 2 terminals are there, positive and negative. So first of all you have to go for the word electric potential. Potential means the strength of electric or we say electrons. Okay. What makes the electric current to flow? Let us consider the analogy of flow of water. Flow of water, how the flow of water is going on. Let us keep two beakers are there at height. One is at height, one is at low height. Okay, and the example is given. Let us read. Changes do not flow in a copper wire by themselves. अपने आप नहीं जाते. Just as water in a perfectly horizontal tube does not flow. Horizontal tube रहता है पानी में तो water flow नहीं करता है. But if you keep one at a height, एक ऊपर कर रहे हो तो water अच्छे से flow करता है. So that we say difference in the height. If one end of the tube is connected to a tank of water kept at a higher level such that there is a pressure difference between the two ends of the tube, water flows out of the other end of the tube. For flow of charges in a conducting metal wire, the gravity, of course, has no role to play. The electrons move only if there is a difference in electric pressure. We call it potential difference along the conductor. This difference of potential may be produced by a battery. डिफरेंस इन द पोटेंशियल मतलब जो चार्ज के बीच में ओके दो पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव के बीच में प्रोड्यूस कर सकता है कौन बैटरी ओके सो द डिफरेंस ऑफ पोटेंशियल मे बी प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय अ बैटरी कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ वन और मोर इलेक्ट्रिक सेल्स द केमिकल एक्शन विद इन द सेल जनरेट्स द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस द टर्मिनल्स ऑफ द सेल even when no current is drawn from it. When the cell is connected to a conducting circuit element, the potential difference sets the charges in the motion in the conductor and produces an electric current. In order to maintain the current in a given electric circuit, the cell has to expend its chemical energy stored in it. You know there is a chemicals in the dry cell. Okay, because of that the cell is working. We define the electric potential difference between 2 points in an electric circuit carrying some current as the work done because वो काम कर रहा है कहाँ से आता है इन्फिनिटिव डिस्टेंस ओके सो जो चार्ज कहीं पे पड़ा है जैसे कि मेटालिक वायर में पड़ा है ऐसे ही वायर में पड़ा है तो वो अपने आप ही करंट फ्लो नहीं होगा तो वो करंट फ्लो कौन करता है बैटरी अब वो चीज़ होती है पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस तो बैटरी से कनेक्ट करेंगे तब ही करंट फ्लो होगा किसमें वायर में okay otherwise there are free electrons in the metal but until you connect it with the battery it is useless if electricity is not passed through the current through the wire it is useless if you want to use it you have to connect it to the potential which has that difference and create the current okay so potential difference V that is voltage between 2 points is equal to work done W by charge okay work done means it is to be okay one photo I show you so here you can see a charge is here okay so from infinity it is bringing to the charge particles that means work done इतना वो काम करती है so work done charge ऐसे ही पड़े लेकिन उसको काम कौन करवाता है बैटरी जो वोल्टेज कहलाता है work done by moving a charge particle from infinity to other point to the equal which is equal to the electric potential तो वो होता है electric potential okay infinity मतलब somewhere in the wire from there to the charge particle so that will give you the voltage okay so potential difference V that is voltage is given by W by Q W means work done क्योंकि वो क्या काम करता है वो चार्ज को लाने का काम करता है ओके जो अंदर से इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है उसको काम करवाता है सो दैट इज़ वर्क डन एंड बाई विद द रेट ऑफ व्हाट विद द चार्ज ओके द SI unit now work is measured in joules you know very well work is measured in joules and Q in the previous part it is measured in coulomb so the SI unit of electric potential difference is volt named after Alessandro Volta and year an Italian physicist 1 volt is अभी जब भी and whenever you have to find out the definition of 1 volt so you can write down 1 coulomb charge सब तीनों 1 डाल देना 1 volt 1 joule work done and 1 coulomb charge so potential difference between 2 points in a current carrying conductor when 1 joule of work done is to be moved डन टू मूव अ चार्ज ऑफ 1 कूलम फ्रॉम वन पॉइंट टू द अदर। आपका वो देखा था डॉट डॉट डॉट, इसलिए मैंने दिखाया। वो क्या कर रहे हैं, चार्ज पार्टिकल को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव कर रहे हैं। कौन मूव कर रहा है, जो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बनाता है। कौन बनाता है, बैटरी, ठीक है। सो दैट इज़ अ वर्क डन। सो वी कैन राइट 1 वोल्ट इज इक्वल टू 1 जूल बाई 1 कूलम, एंड this way also, another way also. The potential difference is measured by means of an instrument called voltmeter. पहले क्या था, ammeter, and what it was measuring, current, okay. And this is voltmeter, what it will measure, volt. The voltmeter is always connected in parallel. So ammeter किस में connect होता था, series. voltmeter किस में connect होगा, parallel, across the points between which the potential difference is to be measured, okay. So उसके हिसाब से sums. Circuit diagram is very easy. We know that an electric circuit as shown in the 12.1 comprises a cell, battery, plug, key, electric components and connecting wires. It is often convenient to draw a schematic diagram in which different components of the circuit are represented by the symbols conventional symbols used to represent some of the most commonly used electrical components, okay. So these are the figure. Okay, if possible then I'll bring these things and I'll show you things, okay. But you have to remember this, but you have to remember the symbol. This is a symbol, an electric cell, एक ही, एक big, एक one big one small and plus minus. A battery or a combination of cell, many cell gives you battery, okay. Plug key, this is off. Open, open मतलब जो सर्किट खुल जाता है, स्टॉप हो जाती है करंट. स्विच, द प्लग की और स्विच ऑन, ऑन अगर यहाँ पे लिखेंगे तो क्लोज्ड, तो एक डॉट आ जाता है. वायर जॉइंट, वायर क्रॉसिंग ओवर ईच अदर मीन्स नॉट जॉइनिंग, उसके ऊपर से एक लूप आ जाता है. दिस शोज यू दैट वायर्स आर नॉट कनेक्टेड. इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब, यू नो वेरी वेल. रजिस्टर, रजिस्टर आई विल शो यू, दिस इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी स्मॉल कंपोनेंट बट इट्स वेरी नाइस, ओके. रजिस्टर आई विल शो यू. देन वेरिएबल रजिस्टर, जो ये वायर रहता है, ओके, दैट इज़ इन द लेबोरेटरी, फिजिक्स लेबोरेटरी. आई विल शो यू रजिस्टर, ओके. एमीटर, वोल्टमीटर, पिक्चर में एमीटर यू कैन सी इन पिक्चर, वोल्टमीटर यू कैन सी, ओके. देन वेरी सिंपल. नाउ okay, Ohm's law will be the next topic, okay. Ohm's law the next topic we'll do. And some topics are this topic. Ohm's law में दोनों है, क्रॉस भी है और टिक मार्क भी है, बट वी हैव टू डू, ओके. Ohm's law अगर पॉसिबल है तो वीडियो देखते हैं उसमें क्या होता है. सो दैट विल बी टेकन आफ्टरवर्ड्स, ओके.